Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the f? What the f, man? You not... I'll follow you up over Wednesday. That's it. Keep going further. Don't block.
Oh. You should care. You should care about the submissions you get, and you should care about being able to resist submission as well, because it's kind of your and this was me and him and the guys that I was talking about when I was rolling with. He said it's your job to give them an accurate look.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Are you okay, baby? It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, love.
My receipt. He lit up a choke. He called cigarettes a choke. Smacked the damn all in your head. Smoked
What the f
car.
are you doing? Are you serious?
Hanging from the corner of his mouth. He took my grades out of that yellow manila envelope, which to this day, manila
Pull over.
envelopes trigger.
Pull over. Pull over.
If y'all know.
Pull over.
What the actual fuck?
He was not a great husband, not a great father. Friends and enemies in Butte both would say he should have never gotten married. I would say so, yeah. This opinion quickly would be followed.
We're still breaking. The light's f***ing greens. Oh, there's gonna be a f***. Yep, crash. Well, knew that was gonna happen.
stares on at me. The Reaper took your family when you were a boy, Bologna. Can you forget? Can you forgive? I remember. You spineless cur. You conspired to kill my grandfather and liege. You sought to kill my cousin in the flower of her life. You betrayed the compact of society and aided the slave king of...
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Really complain, you know, if you're putting yourself in that situation.
If it's like you just swing it anywhere, then that's one thing. But who's you like fucking target people? That's a whole other.
Damn, Joey, what the fuck?
Holy shit.
That's his lane, bro.
Holy fuck.
That was his lane. He moved up to my lane.
Smoke some water. I've got that shit configured on my emulator.
Seriously, dude. Whoa. What the hell? Seriously?
3 brands in the summer, and those 3 brands are looking for more peaceful days ahead, in one country especially. One of our highest yielding 5 brands back in the day, 17, 18, and 19.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.